Hello, I'm Mike from HDS. It's the 19th of October 2019, and today I'm going to talk about some new products I'm releasing and some products I've had already released for the last couple of months. It's been a bit of a slow summer for me. I just moved into a new condo and I'm still unpacking stuff, so I haven't been on my computer designing as much products as I have in the past. But I got one new set of products that's coming out hopefully the next couple of days. I got to tweak the files a little bit and refine them. And I got a couple other products that's actually been on the market for the last couple of months. The first items are going to be these take-home adapter plates for the take-home M3 and M31 kit. And then I got some model railroad products too, although a couple of these things aren't strictly for model railroad. You could probably use them for armor as well. So for any of the model railroad guys, you might want to fast forward the first part of the video when I talk about the take-home kit. For your model railroad guy, for your armor guys, you might want to stick around and see these other products as well, because these can be used for other things as well, not just strictly model railroading. So these adapter plates allow you to use the AUSCA Tasca VVSS bogies on the take-home kit. And I think those part numbers for the Tascas are 35007, 35008 for either the early or late bogies with the top skid. So these flanges basically fit where the existing part goes. You got these three gussets right here. Those will have to be cut off. And I believe it's part B1. It's like a flange that goes on the bottom. You'll have to cut the boss off and then glue it on there. And then that'll just allow you to put the Tasca part like that. So you can use this, like I said, either for the M31 TRV or the M3A1 Lee CDL. The take-home kit for the M31A1 Lee CDL has all early bogies, and all the existing photographs show them mounted with the later VVS bogies. Now on the M31, those were as built with the early bogies. However, a lot of times in the field, when they were damaged or something, they were replaced with the later type bogies. So this allows you to kind of mix and match or replace all of them at once. Okay, next up is this set of nut and bolts in F-scale. Although, like I said, you can use these for a variety of scale. I think these are represent 2-inch nuts in F-scale. And I'll zoom in on, I'll change lenses and zoom on these so you can see the detail in them. But there's a couple of variety. Either have like flat hex heads or hex heads with the threads exposed. And you have a small washer on the underside of them. We also have this pillow block set right here. What a pillow block is a way to mount a shaft so it doesn't move around on you. It just moves in the rotational direction. And these are used in quite a variety of machinery and things like that. Again, I'll change lenses here and we'll zoom up to get a close-up of the detail. Next up, I have these set of glass insulators used for communication lines. These represent the petticoat type of skirt on them. And here's an actual one here. These are quite common in Indiana. Every time I've been to like a flea market or pawn store, you always see these things for sale. People collect these, go out in the woods and collect these just like people go out and gather mushrooms. So they're quite common. And we'll take a close-up view of this as well so you can see the detail in them. So to wrap things up, you can find these and some other products on Shapeways. Just look for HDS as a designer and you'll find a page with all my products on it. Thank you. This is Mike from HDS signing off.